You see? Hi. Are you ready for your appointment? Did we have enough snacks? Oh my gosh, I wish you could see those. You can go wherever this is. Come on. Yes. This is Bruno. Bruno is a, what kind is he?
Russian Toy Terrier.
Russian Toy Terrier. And his name fits him. But he's been coming, when did I start seeing you? In April. Yeah, referred by my animal chiropractor teacher, Dr. O. Yeah. And Dr. Melissa here, his mama, is also a chiropractor. So it's always an honor to get to work on fellow colleagues and their babies. But he came because he was having digestive issues. So he would have frequent bouts of vomiting. Mm-hmm. And he really came in, he was really in that arched state, right? Mm-hmm. And that was the primary thing, right? Okay. And then, because he would, yeah, and he was a little lethargic. We think we changed his food. We got him on a supplement where he's taking Zymex, right? Mm-hmm. From Standard Process, yes. Which is a digestive support to help him break down his food. It's time for your adjustment. Can I check how you're doing? Yes. We gotta take it easy. You're so little. So the treats I'm giving him is just freeze-dried liver, freeze-dried chicken breast, and he loves them. So we're gonna just take a look and see how he's doing. It's been, I saw you early June, so about 5 weeks since his last adjustment. He had 0 vomiting. Can I just see how you're doing here? He's a little squirmy. He does look a little bit arched up, but is that how he's been?
I noticed that, yeah, for the last couple days.
Okay, I lost my Band-Aid. Okay, come here. So the challenge with animals is they don't just sit still. So I'll have you just hold them from the front. And we're going to check your legs here, buddy. Okay, then you get all the treats. So I do legs just check just like I do with people. He doesn't really love this extending back. If he's got restriction in his pelvis or through the spine, that's going to be harder for him. So I know. But obviously he can stand up on his back legs. Okay, you got him. I'm going to check and see. We're going to do this real quick. Ready? Yeah, this right leg. Is this the one you said was twitching a little bit? Yeah, that one's not wanting to come back. See, yeah, that one comes back real easy. This one, I don't get it back as far, so let's see what we got going here, right? Is this the spot? So I'm going to start down here at the bottom. I'm just going to check your chart. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so we're going to adjust this right side. I mean, how much does he weigh?
Maybe 5 pounds.
Yeah, so 5 pounds, I'm not using a lot of pressure here. But we're going to adjust the pelvis here. Tail. Yeah, okay, let's adjust this. The tip of the sacrum. Mm-hmm. Good boy. Okay, hang on. And then we could just run through the spine. Some restrictions right through this lower middle thoracic that
Stuck.
Did I find a spot? So it's important to have someone hold them because no matter how nice they are, I am good at finding the spots. I know, baby, I know. Hey, we're almost there. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sit with me. Okay, let me check your neck. Shh. Look at the camera. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? I know, baby. I know. That's right too. Are we finding all the spots? Were you due for an adjustment? We gotta recheck that, you know. Was that a good yawn? So they react different when they are relaxing. They'll yawn, they'll lick, they'll chew. And then when he gets down, he'll give a nice shake to shake off the rest of that nervous system energy. Like when dogs play hard and it's on this verge of being a little rough, they'll shake. Okay. I know you're doing good. Okay, check your shoulder. He just goes right to being on his back legs. How's this feel? Let me adjust the shoulder blade. He's so little. I'm sure when he jumps off of things. Yeah. What do you think? Can I recheck your leg? Or how about you get to run around for a second? Want to run around? Okay. Okay. Run around. Okay. Now he's calm. Yeah. You want to walk around? Okay. You're a little goofball. I know, but you gotta shake first. Come here. Come on. Oh, you're so good. Okay, let's recheck. Yeah, very similar spots as last time. I was writing down what I do. So you hold him. Let's check the legs and see if we made any difference. He didn't shake yet, so I might not be done. But let's see. There. So I had a lot less resistance in bringing this leg back, so I can get not quite back as far as the, yeah, there's still a little bit of restriction, but so much better. So let's just make sure this hip, just hold his head. I'm going to adjust his femur. I know. This little 5-pound femur. Well, how tiny is that? Okay. Can I recheck that? I know. Go to mommy. So he's still a little stiff coming back. What else have we got, buddy? Something in here. I know. Were you playing rough at Grandma's house? Because you were on a trip, right? You got to go to Italy. How amazing. So much good food. Mm-hmm. Good weather.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, I know. There's a stuck one right there. I know. I'm sorry, I'll do it fast. As soon as you stop screaming. Last one. Good boy. Let me check your ribs. How's your skull? Can I see your front? Can I see your front? That looks pretty good. Okay. Now let's see. What? That's what we needed to do? Is that what we needed? Is that what we needed? Okay. And what you need is a little more treat. But if you get gas on the way home, your mom's going to be mad at me. Okay. Well, good. I'm glad he's doing better. I'm glad we got a little bit more motion in that right leg. And that's the one he was needing a little bit of help in. So it was a good day for a tune-up. Okay, anything else? Did I miss anything? Anything else we need to know, Bruno? Come on. Come up here.
His back looks better already.
Right? A little less. Here, can you sit? Sit. Oh yeah, a lot better. Look at that. We should have got you before like that. You're a star. You're a star. Good boy. Most importantly, it feels better. Yeah, good. Good. Because what was that like when he was thrown up and you don't know what it was? And
You just know it's not normal.
yeah.
You know, something's wrong. We don't want anything worse to come of it, so let's get it fixed.
Yep. Well, I'm so glad you guys found us. Found me. Yes, I know. We'll be friends forever. Okay, one more, and then you say goodbye to all our friends. Okay? Come here. You have to tell them to say like and subscribe.